How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can reply to all the birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, head towards the profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. That's going to take you to your menu page. Here, tap on the settings icon. On the settings and privacy, tap on Meta Account Center, scroll down a bit and head towards your information and permissions. Here, tap on the first option, that is access your information. Once you land on this page, you have to scroll down a bit and head towards your Facebook activity. And under this page, select posts and comments that you were tagged in. So once you land on this page, you will find all of the birthday wishes that was made on your Facebook timeline as a post. Select your specific timeline post where you want to reply to your birthday wishes. After that, head towards the comment section and now you can reply to the birthday wishes as you prefer. And that's the way to reply to all of the birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.